The OACP Community Safety and Crime Prevention Award, sponsored by Accident Support Services International Limited, is presented to Constable Matthew Borch, Toronto Police Service. Constable Matt Borch believes early intervention and focusing on improving social development of young people is the key to effective crime prevention and safer communities. His experience working as a community officer led him to interact with many youths who lacked the skills and confidence to do well at school or get a part-time job. His vision was to collaborate with people and agencies within this community that could help remove barriers and create opportunities and safe places for youth to learn, grow, and be empowered. Constable Borch previously partnered with the City of Toronto Youth Outreach Workers to run a sports program for local youth out of the Don Montgomery Community Centre. The programs were always positive and well received, but Constable Borch wanted to do more. At this time, the Don Montgomery Community Centre had just installed a new kitchen to provide a positive space conducive to lifelong learning. Constable Borch began thinking about a potential police-led cooking program, which would help to give local youth some essential life skills. His initial idea would evolve to include a program that could also offer life skills, such as financial literacy, resume writing, interview skills, first aid, food handler certificates, and others. Taking his idea and turning it into action, Constable Borch formed a coalition with the City Youth Outreach Workers. Together, they strategized on how to create an action plan to build and implement the program. Along with the support of the neighborhood officer team at 41 Division, they started mobilizing community partners that could best help the youth and assist in giving them a leg up in life. Strong partnerships between the community, businesses, and agencies were formed, and with the support of TD Bank agreeing to run the financial literacy program, Toronto Paramedic Services providing first aid training, a local chef teaching cooking skills, and officers from the Toronto Police College teaching public speaking and effective communication skills, Constable Borch's Community Safety and Crime Prevention Initiative was well underway. Some of the training came at no cost, but some, like the Level C First Aid and CPR certification, was expensive. A search for funding led to another successful collaboration. 42 Division grant proposal for essential skills for youth was successful. Recruitment began for the Life Skills to Succeed program in early 2019, and the program launched that spring with 96 high school students living in 41, 42, 11, and 22 Division participating. The youth participants were taught a 4-week cooking program, obtained their Level C First Aid and CPR designations, and their food handler certificates. They also engaged in conversations and counseling about healthy relationships, emotional intelligence, and effective communication. Under Matt's leadership, the neighborhood officer team worked in conjunction with the City of Toronto to launch a job fair, enabling the youth to showcase their newly acquired skills. It was the first program of its type run by the Toronto Police, and it was a success. The survey completed by participants after the program was positive, with participants indicating they felt safer in their communities and more comfortable talking with police officers. To this day, Constable Borch and many of the officers who participated in the program often have past graduates reaching out for resume help or advice on other life issues.